Hi guys and welcome back. You're watching the VAT Mat and today I'm going to be showing you around the brand spanking new Dyson Omni-glide. Now this machine might well look like a toy, but we'll be testing it out in this video today and letting you know whether it will be right for your home as it is for a very specific need. So without any further ado, let's get stuck in. This video was brought to you by Pick-it, the answer to all your hair wrap nightmares. It works on cordless, corded vacuums and even a hairbrush. Wherever hair gets tangled, the Pick-it will be there to help out. For the affordable price of just £7 and even less with our code displayed on screen now, every Pick-it purchase will donate £1 to helping fight breast cancer with the Pink Ribbon Foundation. If you'd like to buy one, we've got our link and discount code in the description. Now, back to the video. The Dyson Omni-glide is the latest in Dyson's lineup and it's a little bit different. We've seen Dyson get bigger and bigger and bigger with their cordless vacuum cleaners, going from the very small DC35 all the way up to the V11 outsize. But Dyson have dropped back down with this new model. This machine is only suitable for hard floors, Dyson claims, but it is specialised to be very good at the one thing it does. It comes with 3 attachments included, as well as the long pole, and it's got all of the features that are on the bigger Dyson, such as the mini motorised turbine tool, the HEPA filtration, and the hygienic bin ejector. It has a brand new style of fluffy attachment underneath, with a 2-way floating brush roll, which means you can glide under and around furniture. Now we're going to put this to the test versus a regular cordless vacuum cleaner and see if it really is that much better at cleaning up and making easy use on hard floor. The runtime of this machine is lower than the bigger machines, running at 20 minutes on its standard suction power mode, but only about 5 minutes on the max power mode. So we're going to have a look at whether it is suitable on standard mode to do all of your cleaning needs. So without any further ado, let's get stuck into testing this machine out. We tested the Dyson Omni-glide on its flagship hard floor, and as I expected, it did absolutely outstandingly. We thought the normal fluffy head was fantastic, but the manoeuvrability of this one really does give it the edge. To see how the usability of this machine was compared to other machines, we put a very small coffee table with oats underneath it. Now we used a normal cordless vacuum cleaner on one hand, and in the other hand we used the Omni-glide. The Omni-glide wasn't perfect at getting under it, but it did a lot better. It was able to get right into the middle and right underneath the table where we needed it to, and left a lot less behind compared to the other machine. It generally is a great machine for getting under and around tight spots, and really good for cleaning open flooring, so you have the best of both worlds. On the flour fine dust test, it picked it all up, no problems at all, and a fantastic result. Dyson have said specifically that the Omni-glide is not for carpet, but we decided to test this out. Now, I put down on the carpet just a few usual bits and pieces and used it in its boost power mode. Now, if you have a small flat and say just have 1 or 2 very small low pile area rugs, I really cannot see a reason why this machine would not be okay for cleaning them 2 area rugs. And failing that, you do have the mini motorised turbine tool that can be used on the end of the attached pole. Now, it picked up all of the oatmeal and sort of surface dirt and the majority of the tea leaves. It struggled really with the pet hair, so if you have got carpets and pet hair, this is a no. But if you have pet hair on hard floors and just say 1 or 2 small area rugs, I really can't see the issue with this. We would have really liked to see on this point another clean head with this machine. It could have been the ideal vacuum cleaner for them smaller homes if Dyson would have also provided a carpet cleaning head. It didn't need to be a really powerful one like the V11, but could have been one of their lower end ones like the V7s. The attachment set on this machine is quite rudimentary, but it really is a high quality and well made set. You get the mini motorised turbine tool, the combi crevice tool with dusting brush attached on the end, and the upholstery tool. Now, I used the combi tool to clean all around the edges of the sofa and it did a superb job. And then I used the motorised tool to deep clean the middle of the sofa, and again it picked it all up, no problem with the pet hair. But this is really good on stairs, and I found it's probably the best and most convenient machine I've ever used to clean stairs. I do use it in the max power setting when doing the stairs, and I can get right to the top of the stairs without it running out. So it is a decent machine if you would like one to clean stairs. We tested Dyson's claim of full machine HEPA filtration with our 0.3 micron particle smoke test, and I'm pleased to say the Dyson passed with flying colours. None of the smoke escaped the machine that was sucked in. So that concludes all of our tests. Now, coming to the end of the review of this, I think it goes both ways, and it depends on your circumstances. It is absolutely amazing for a very niche market. That is, if you have majority hard floors, maybe a few area rugs, and a smaller home. Or if you would like this as a second vacuum, say for just downstairs where you've got all hard floors, it's going to be fantastic. However, if you've got a big home and this is to replace a plug-in vacuum cleaner or another Dyson cordless machine, you're going to struggle because of the shorter run time and, of course, it not being suitable for carpets. And cleaning large rooms of carpets with the mini motorised tool is going to be tedious, to put it lightly. It is light as a feather. I mean, I can carry this up and down the stairs, not a problem. Definitely a really good choice for maybe elderly people who are living in a flat, because it is nice and easy to use, simple. And also the battery on this machine, unlike other machines we've seen from Dyson, is removable, which will be a massive plus point. And I can't see any reason why you can't upgrade the runtime by getting another battery, which again would just add to the versatility of the machine. It's a fantastic machine to use in the car and above the floor, and in that respect it is the best on the market at that. So it's very good at what it does, but it just depends if you want a machine that just does this. Criticisms of the machine and downsides are very, very small, but the bin is on the small side, but this is completely understandable because to keep the weight and the size down. To hold it, a few people have said they don't like the handle. I personally haven't found it an issue, but that's something to maybe go and try it out before you use it. The runtime on max is again a little bit on the shorter side. If you're just using it for hard floors, you do not need the max power mode at all. It performs as we've shown in all our pickup tests without a problem on normal. But when I'm cleaning, say, the stairs, I will always use that boost to give me that extra clean. So there's not a lot to dislike about this. But just make sure it fits your circumstances before you go ahead and buy it. It is not on the cheap side. It is over £349. So it's a lot of money to be spending on a vacuum like this. But if it fits your needs, it will do the job very well. But on the other hand, you could have a Dyson V8 or V7, or even if you're able to pick it up at a bargain, a V10 for the same price as this. So it is worth looking into that. So yeah, that just about concludes it. It's a fantastic machine at what it does, but does that suit your needs is the question. Thanks very much for watching this video from the VatMat. Please, if this has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a follow on Instagram, the VatMat. And if this has been useful, or if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below, and I will try my best to sort them out. Thanks very much. See you soon.